So I'm installing one of these ASPEN little mini condensate pumps for mini split. This is the Maxi orange, the one that was already on the unit. I don't know what brand it is. The pump wasn't pumping anymore, so I needed to obviously change it out. This is a Carrier mini split. It's right up there. It does basically some server racks. And then I got another one over here, which this one says EC, which that's a refrigerant flow lockout, so I need to check that out. But since this pump is wired up different, I had to kind of figure out how I'm going to do this one, because the wire, it doesn't come with enough conductors, how this one was wired up. So I'll show you what I did. So basically here's our terminal block on the EVAP. You just have Y, C, L1, L2 ground. That pump had 6 conductors wired up. This one only comes with 4. Common, your normally closed switch for the float, leg 1, leg 2. So I had the fuse added going to leg 2, and then basically what I did was on my leg 1, I tied in the normally closed switch and leg 1 to that, and off of fed to the common on side on that other end. I had made that as leg 1, and then tied in the leg 2 off of here to leg 2. And I already tested it. Basically what I wanted to do is when this float gets up here, I wanted to turn off the whole head. This is just the way it's set up, is not a typical mini split system. This is straight cool only. On there it says that it has to be connected to, for the communication out to the condenser, that this is not the same like a typical, like I said, regular mini split system. These Carriers, I have Daikin's, and they're set up different. These Carriers are just a certain way. So I don't have too many of these. I only just have them here for a couple server rooms, and then the rest are doing elevator control rooms. So, but basically cut it out, put the new float right here. Comes, goes to our pump. I already got it, like I said, I got it primed already with water. I just need to zip tie up the wires to make it neat. It comes with this anti-siphon orifice. I installed it. It says 6 inches off the pump. No kinks going. Condensate drain goes out that way outside the building. But yeah, this is the ASPEN pump, Maxi orange. Since I have this thing taken apart, I might as well just do a maintenance. As you can see, there's already kind of stuff built up in here. I'm gonna have to wipe that down, but I got the Viper condensate spray, and I just sprayed the condensate drain with it. And then I had the green Viper bag for the evap spray, and I just put it in a regular spray bottle and sprayed down the coil. So it's, like I said, I already have it taken apart. It smells good now. Before, obviously, there's whatever, this is mold, bacteria, whatever going on there. But yeah, quick video just showing how I installed this little mini pump, how I configured it. And that's it. See you on the next one.